Today is Friday, October 3, 2019. This is a video of the pomegranate plant in Singapore. In Singapore, the pomegranates are about this size, which is 10 times smaller than the ones you see in Armenia. Now, these are considered fully developed fruits. Now, this plant has various stages of fruit development. You can see these are the fruits. You can see the flowers as well. I will start with the flowers. These are the flowers. You can see the flowers. And starting with the flowers, you see the development of the fruits, smaller ones. And then this grows to be bigger ones, and I guess these are the adult size, as they all appear to be similar sizes. These are the various stages of the smaller ones, younger ones. And so this tree shows the pomegranate plants in various stages of development. You have the much younger ones, which are smaller in size, and also the bigger ones. And as well as the flowers. Not many flowers, about 2 or 3 small ones. Seldom you see pomegranate flowers, but today we managed to see all stages of development, and that's why I made a video of this in Singapore. Pomegranate plants, they're quite popular. October 3rd, 2019, Singapore.